Welcome to the in front of me STK Life 9, and I'll show you how to turn off auto update apps on this device. So first you should launch the Play Store application, and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And now here on the left upper corner you got the burger menu, or also you can have that here on the right upper corner. Tap here on the menu and go into the settings. Now just here you'll see the auto update apps section. Just tap there and switch the over Wi-Fi only to the don't auto update apps, and then confirm your action by tap here to done. And as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.